If you are looking for digital marketing jobs in USA, then this will help you to find the best digital marketing jobs in USA. Popular digital marketing job profiles in the USA. They are as follows. In the event that you need to make a significant number of bucks in the web showcasing business, you should think about making a few arrangements first. Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will discuss about digital marketing job, salary and scope in USA. So let's get started without delay. To know more about digital marketing, please check I button. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. So let's start. Digital marketing jobs in USA. If you are looking for digital marketing jobs in USA, then this post will help you to find the best digital marketing jobs in USA. It includes information about digital marketing jobs in USA, skills required to become a digital marketer, salary range for digital marketing jobs in USA. The digital marketing industries in the USA has changed drastically over the years. There are several new trends and innovations in the digital marketing world. One of the most important changes that have been seen in the recent times is the shift from the traditional marketing to the digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very popular marketing tool today. The digital marketing industries in the USA has seen a boom in the past few years. Many companies are now hiring digital marketers and content strategists to manage their online presence. Popular digital marketing job profile. Here are some of the popular digital marketing job profiles in the USA. They are as follows. Google Ads Specialists, SEO Professionals, Lead Generation Specialist, Social Media Marketing Strategists, Online Reputation Management, Content and Advertising Specialists. Digital marketing pay scale in the USA. Obviously, if you are working in a field where the best paying expert will get paid $2 million a year, it's not reasonable to expect to get paid $100,000 a year. However, if you are a seasoned computerized expert with a ton of experience and a solid portfolio, you can charge a considerable measure more than a brand newbie who is only now beginning. In the event that you need to make a significant number of bucks in the web showcasing business, you should think about making a few arrangements first. It's anything but difficult to begin, however, it will take some time to see results. When you're working in a productive industry with an enormous aptitudes deficiency, you can consider yourself like aware and arrange your pay in like manner. For instance, the middle compensation for a CMO or a substance overseeing official in a corporate setting in the US is relied upon to be $164,000. So, today we know the digital marketing job scope and salary in United States. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.